Hey y'all, this brand Oh Yuck sent this over for me to try on my washing machine, and they did compensate me for this video, but let me show you how easy it was to use and how great it did. So I have a husband and then 2 boys, so I do a lot of laundry, and the staining on my wash machine could get kind of gross. So you can see where like the laundry softener and things had just kind of gotten it nasty. So I was really excited when they sent this over for me to try. So the first thing you're going to do is just wipe off any kind of contamination or stains you have on your wash machine. That'll just come off with an easy wipe down. Next you're going to add in a gallon of hot water and then 4 ounces of the actual cleaner. And you're going to let that soak for about an hour. And then once you've let it set in there and soak for about an hour, you're going to close the wash machine with nothing in it. You're going to turn it to a heavy load. You're going to change the temperature to hot. And then you're going to let it run. So it didn't get off every single stain that we had on the actual wash machine in the drum, but I will tell you that the smell in the wash machine is so much better after using this product. I'm actually happier because the smell was what I was trying to get rid of.